Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are all well. So today's topic I am not taking a functional, I am taking at one technical topic that is called the IDOCs. Somebody asked, sir, please make one video for the IDOCs. So IDOC basically calling as a intermediate document. Okay, so IDOC is a one functionality where we are transferring from data from one system to another system. So maybe a SAP to SAP or SAP to non-SAP and vice versa, outbound and inbound. Okay, so IDOC is simply a data container, okay, basically used to exchange information between any two processes that can understand the syntax and semantics of the data. Okay, in other words, an IDOC is like a data file with a specified format which is exchanged between two systems which know how to interpret the data. Okay, and when we execute any ALE application link enabling ALE or EDI, EDI means electronic data interchange, then IDOCs created. Okay, remember, when we execute an outbound ALE application link enabling and electronic data interchange, then IDOCs create. Okay, in the SAP systems, IDOCs are stored in database because a lot of data is there, then it should be a database. Okay, so every IDOC has a unique number within a client. Okay, so what kind of data we are sending? It may be an object, it may be a production order, it may be a purchase order, or it may be a production order, any object. Okay, so these are called the objects. So again I am repeating, IDOCs means intermediate document where we are sending some data from one system to another system, or once sending the one object to another systems. Okay, so that is a mediator called the IDOCs. Okay, clear? Now I am going I just made one document, I am going through that. So there is a three IDOC structure consist of the three part. One is a control record, second is a data record, and third is a status record. Okay, so what is the control record? Which has the type of IDOCs, what type of IDOCs we are using, that comes under the control record. Okay, message type, what will be the message type, the current status, the sender or receiver, okay, etc. This is referred to as the control record. Next, the data record means application data which contains the data. These are called the data records or segments. Okay, third is the status records. This give you information about the various stages the IDOC has passed through. So three type of data structure is there, consist of the data structure. IDOC structure consists of three parts. First is a control record, second is a data record, and third is a status record. Okay, clear? And where we can view the IDOCs, there is a transaction WE02 or WE05 where we can see how many IDOCs are created. It will be like a platform. Okay, we can see. Next is a data record, IDOC type. All IDOC type defines the structure and format of the business document that is to be exchanged. An IDOC is an instance of an IDOC type. Just like the concept of variables and variables types in programming languages, you can define the IDOC types using the WE20. What kind of IDOCs you are creating, that is a WE30 is a transaction, you can go and create it. Then what is the segment? A segment defines the format and structure of the data records. As a functional, you have to provide the structure of a data record in IDOC. Segments are reusable components. Okay, for each segment, SAP creates segment type, version independent, segment definition, version independent, and segment documentation. So these are some technical words. You have to go through the document and you will understand all those things. The last three characters in the is the version of segment. Definitions keep changing as per the version but the segment type remains the same. The transaction code is WE31. Development segments, display the segments, definition. Okay. What is the extension? IDOC types. So in IDOC type is two types. One is a basic and second is the extension. Okay. So the transaction code is WE31. SAP provides many predefined basic IDOC types which cannot modified. It is SAP has been developed. In case you want to add more data to this restricted basic type, you may use an extension type. Most of the times you will not use the extension. Okay. So there is a two type of basic type and extension. This is the development objects. Documentation. Each IDOC are thoroughly documented in transaction W60. Okay, you can go and check the history. Message type. A message represents a document type of document, a specific type of document, that is transmitted between two partners. Orders, response and invoices. Yes, sales order, outbound delivery and billing document. Okay, in SD side I am telling. Production side, production order. MM side, the purchase order and many any other objects. Okay, maybe a purchase and for record, maybe a purchase order. Okay, so maybe a scheduling agreement, that is one object. It's a kind of a purchase order itself. Okay, also a message type can be associated with IDOC type transaction W81. So these are the some multiple transaction is there. Okay, then you need to create the partner profiles. Partner profile is business partner. A partner is defined as a business partner with whom you conduct the business or exchange the data, exchange the documents. In the partner profile of a partner that we exchange IDOCs with, we maintain the parameters that are necessary for exchanging the data. The transaction code is W20. So there is a certain transaction code is there. Then you need to define the port. The port defines the technical characteristics of the connection between your SAP system and the other system, target system. You want to transfer the data with subsystem. The port defines the medium in which data is exchanged between two systems. Okay, SM59. You can go and you can check. There are different types of ports. The two most commonly used are the TRFC ports used in ALE, application link enabling, and file ports with EDI uses, electronic data interchange. So these are all the technical steps. Okay. So there is a two kind of process we are using: outbound process and inbound. Outbound means SAP to non-SAP and non-SAP to SAP inbound. Okay. So this is the brief overview of the IDOCs. If you want details, then you can go. There is some documents is available. You can go and you can check. But basically, the purpose is this video to try to give some kind of a brief overview of what is the IDOCs and what is the functionality and how we are using. Okay, I hope you will understand. Any questions you can ask also. In my current project, I am using the IDOCs where we are sending the sales order from SAP to MES systems. MES is a non-SAP systems, manufacturing execution systems, and we are getting the acknowledgement that SO has been reached there. Okay, so this is a process point of view. I am just telling. We are creating the sales order in ECC and we are sending this sales order through IDOCs into the MES systems for further processing. Okay, I hope you will like this video. Any question, any comments, any remarks you can put. Thank you so much. Thanks.